Hello. We are doing chess challenges. We're working on the bonus games and we're working on the mate and 3 section. We're going to do problem number 16 in this one. So let's go ahead and load up the screen there. If you'd like to hit pause, go ahead. One of the first things that's going to stand out here is black pretty much has a chance to put us in checkmate in one move with the rook and the queen on the a2 and a5 squares. So we need to move quickly with a series of checks to avoid that and try to win. We've got the queen here. We're just going to simply move it to e7. And that puts black's king in check. Now we got to figure out what sequence of moves will keep us from getting checkmated. So we've got one of the 3 moves down. Of all the possibilities that queen can do, I believe the d6 looks the most attractive, and that's going to be the option that we're going to take right there. Okay, black is in check, and now there's 2 options here. One is with the queen, the other is with the bishop. The only one that works is with the queen because that blocks all the squares, so that's the one we're going to take. And that pretty much solves the problem and puts black in checkmate. And yeah, that wraps this up. I am signing out. Thank you for watching.